Imagine a world where your investments are managed by intelligent systems that learn and adapt. Welcome to the future of investing, powered by artificial intelligence. This video explores how AI is revolutionizing wealth management and outperforming traditional methods. Artificial intelligence is changing the game in investing. Gone are the days of manual analysis and guesswork. Today, AI-driven platforms are here to personalize and optimize your investment strategies. Let's break down how this transformation works. First, we have robo-advisors, automated platforms that use algorithms to manage investments. These advisors assess your financial goals and risk tolerance. They create tailored portfolios designed just for you. Next, consider predictive analytics, a process where AI analyzes vast data sets. This capability helps identify market trends faster than any human could. Institutions harness this power to make informed decisions, minimizing risks and maximizing returns. Another key player in this transformation is machine learning. Fintech startups and established institutions alike use machine learning to decode market behaviors. By analyzing past data, AI can predict future fluctuations, giving investors a competitive edge. Let's take a moment for an example. Imagine you want to invest in technology stocks. An AI system accesses real-time data, analyzing factors like market sentiment, earnings reports, and industry trends. Within seconds, it recommends the best stocks tailored to your preferences and goals. Moreover, AI isn't just for individual investors. Institutions use AI to manage billions in assets. They streamline operations, enhance compliance, and reduce costs. All these elements lead to better customer experiences and improved financial performance. To summarize, artificial intelligence is reshaping investing and wealth management. Robo-advisors personalize your portfolio. Predictive analytics spot trends before they arise. Machine learning empowers institutions to make smarter decisions quickly. Embrace the future of investing. Consider integrating AI-driven platforms into your investment strategy. Stay ahead of the curve and maximize your wealth potential today. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Future Mind AI Trends for more engaging content. Join us as we explore more ways technology is transforming the world around us.